back everyone for another fast meal prep hack. So in today's video we're going to do a fast meal with salad. So we're going to make salad taste great again. It's not going to be your boring salad. So let's go ahead and start to show you how fast it is. So we're going to get a couple ingredients. Right now I'm going to get the Trader Joe's organic shredded green and red cabbage with orange carrots, okay? Go ahead, get this already pre-made. It's going to really speed up the time. Then after that, we're going to get some other stuff to make the salad taste great. So we're going to get some lime juice, okay, pure lime juice extract. Also some Dijon mustard, all right. Also we're going to get, let me see, some apple cider vinegar, okay. Need some apple cider vinegar plus a bowl to mix it. And then we're going to use some Truvia, okay? Now when it comes to the Truvia, you can always find some other alternatives as well, like stevia or organic cane sugar, all right? That's totally up to you. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and put everything together. Now one of the best things about this salad is that it's really high in vitamin C and also vitamin A. So as you can see, it says vitamin A is about 60% of your daily value, and that's 2 cups worth of this. And then also, when it comes to vitamin C, 60% of vitamin C, okay? And that's for 1 serving that equals up to 2 cups. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add 4 cups, all right? This is gonna be a serving for 2. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on the scale to zero it out. And then what we're gonna do now is go ahead and put it in. So we're gonna measure it, all right, up to 2 servings, okay? So 2 servings is about 170 grams, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and plug that in all the way till the scale says 170, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and keep adding more. All right, and now we're at 170 right here, okay? So we wanna make the salad pretty big because I wanna tell you, this salad tastes really good, all right? And then what we're gonna do next is get another bowl out, if I can find a bowl. If not, we can use a cup. It's not a big problem. We're gonna use this mug. It's definitely fine to use this. Let's go ahead and zero this out because there's one more ingredient I did forget to get, and that's the nuts, okay? So we're going to get this, the Omega Trek Mix, okay? So with this, it has dry cranberry and roasted nut blend, okay? So this has a lot of iron, has a mixture of some pumpkin seeds, walnuts, almonds, and also dried cranberry. Now all this stuff here you can get at Trader Joe's, okay? Now when it comes to this, we're going to just do 1 serving. It's about 1/4 cup, but if you have a scale like mine, you can just go ahead and zero that out, and we're going to put in about 30 grams because it's pretty equivalent to that, okay? So we're going to go ahead and put 30 grams in here, all right? So that's about 30 grams, and then we're going to add this right into the salad, okay? This is going to give it some good flavor and make it taste good, all right? Now we're pretty much done with the scale. Now what we're going to do is make the dressing, okay? This is pretty much a calorie-free dressing. The only calories you're actually getting is whatever, if you use stevia, then the dressing will be 0. But if you use like Truvia or some type of cane sugar, that's going to be pretty much the extra calories that's going to be in this dressing. But the best thing is that we're keeping everything low, okay? So what we're going to do is get a tablespoon out. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of the Truvia inside the salad, okay? So there's 1 and 2, okay? And then what we're going to do next is go ahead and add some apple cider vinegar. You want to go ahead and shake that up first, and then just 1 tablespoon, okay? Just 1 of this. You don't want to do anything more than that, okay? Put that in there, and then with the lime juice, okay, we're going to shake that up and put about 1/2 cup in there, okay? So once I can find this cup, here we go. We want to use 1/2 cup of this. Pour that in there, all right? And then next thing we're going to use is Dijon mustard, okay? Now with the Dijon mustard, I would say maybe like 3 tablespoons of that. And just a little bit more, all right? Because there's mustard inside the tablespoon, okay? I'm not going to really crush it out. Now this is where we get our hands dirty, okay? Now we're going to go ahead and start mixing it up. with our hands, all right? So now when we're doing it with our hands, what we want to do is go ahead and do this. Like, you want to kind of rub it in, because you want to rub everything together and make sure it blends well with the salad, okay? And I'm telling you, this combination is going to make the salad taste great, okay? And if you want to use more salad, you could always add more. I mean, nothing's wrong eating more lettuce, all right? And some of the benefits of eating salad is that because it's high in micronutrients and very low in calories, you know, it helps you be fuller, and it also gives you a lot of great benefits. Like if you get a lot of vitamin A, for example, this bowl right here by itself, you're getting about 120% of vitamin A. So just right there, you're getting tons of vitamin A, which is really good for skin, okay? It makes your skin clear up, make your skin glow. And then when it comes to vitamin C, this really helps with your immune system, as well with, it's a great anti-inflammatory too. So if you have any like joint pains and stuff like that, you definitely want to get a lot of vitamin C in. And this right here is a great anti-inflammatory if you have pain in your joints, okay? So this is a great salad to do. And what I like to do with this salad, because it has such a sweet taste and it's so delicious, I love doing this at night. This is a great meal to have at night because it makes you feel full. It's a great snack. It's sweet. And it's super healthy, okay? It's super healthy. It makes you feel full. And this is definitely something, this is one of my new go-tos that I go to when it comes to if I have cravings at night. I just eat a bunch of salad. Sometimes I just have a whole bag by myself, and I never really have to worry about, oh, I'm going over my macros or I'm going to get fat. You're not going to get fat eating this, okay? You're definitely not. So right now, it's pretty much done, okay? So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and rinse off my hands, all right? And I did wash my hands before I started. Cooking that, but that's something you definitely want to do, is definitely wash your hands. So we're just going to find a bowl to put it in. And like I said, this is a serving for two. If you want to do it all by yourself, go ahead. If you want to add a whole bag to it, go ahead, okay? But for this video, we're just doing a serving for two. But for me, it's going to be a serving for one, okay? I'm going to go ahead and add all this lettuce in and then show you how it looks like once I'm done. And then having the trail mix in there, oh man, you get a lot of your omega-3s, you're getting a lot of iron, a lot of potassium, and you're also getting some protein as well in this salad too by adding the nuts. All right, so now that's it. This is one of my fastest meal preps ever. Okay, it's very quick to do. It's very simple, and like I said, we're making salad taste great again. Okay, I want to let you know you're going to be very addicted to this meal once you try it out. So let's go ahead and look at that. Look at that. It looks so beautiful and so colorful. And it's like they always say, you want to eat the rainbow, okay? And that looks like a rainbow to me, all right? Now, with this said, when it comes to the macronutrients, we're looking at 6 grams of protein, okay, about 32 grams of carbohydrates, and 11 grams of fat. Like I said, this is super macro friendly, and that's this bowl altogether. Now, if you want to split this in half and get the calories even lower or the macros lower, you're looking at 3 grams of protein, 16 grams of carbohydrates, and 5.5 grams of fat, okay? So this is a great dish to have, like I said before. I would definitely do this for nighttime when you're having cravings, because it just has a really sweet taste, and it's delicious. Tastes really good. And to tell you the truth, it tastes so good that I'm going to add more, all right? And just eat this whole bag, because like I said before, you're not going to get fat off of lettuce, okay? And peanuts, okay? So look at that. I'm just going to go ahead and add that in. Mix it up, and eat the rest of this salad for the rest of the day. But with that said, I hope you enjoyed my fast meal prep hack. Definitely try this at home. I'm going to let you know you're going to be very obsessed with the salad when you try it. As well, if you want to see more meal prep hacks, please comment down below. Tell me what you like, what you didn't like about it. And if you have any ideas or something that you want me to try to make, go ahead and comment and let me know. And I'll try to see if I can make it fast and easy, all right? Because we all have busy lives. We can't really spend a lot of time in the kitchen. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and let y'all go. Thank you for watching. Peace.